Okay, so our print is complete. You'll see that it says clear the platform and accept. So we're going to open the door. We're going to take a look at our print. There it is. All right. What you're going to need is a spatula. Looks like that. And you should be able to just break that loose. If it's been on there for quite some time, you may need to get it wet. So you'll see that we have our platform with the glue, and we're going to take care of that in just a little bit. But we have our print here with our various pieces of support. So you'll notice that I can tear off the support platform that we installed on this. It will obviously leave a texture, but you'll be able to crack that off. You'll see little supports underneath this piece, and you'll be able to crack that off and then throw that away, including the runout strip that was cut around just to make sure that we were all leveled off. Okay, so we're going to end this video. Obviously, we have this part. We're going to remove these pieces, and we'll take a look at it with regards to this project that we were working on. The other thing that we're going to do in the next video is the final cleanup and reset, so that if you come into and see that someone left an unclean platen, how to set yourself up for use. On to the next video.